What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about why you should be using a sales funnel instead of a traditional website. If you'd like to hear more about this subject, then stay with me throughout this video. What's up, guys? Today's topic is going to be sales funnel or website. What's best for making sales for your business? But before we get started, let me introduce myself. My name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about making money online, affiliate, internet, digital marketing, and I'm here to help you through your journey to a laptop lifestyle so you can get some freedom in your life. All right? Now, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, click that little notification bell, and give me a like if you feel like you get some value out of this video. And also, if you have any comments, let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future, and I'll make that happen. Now, if you have any questions about today's content, post them down below, and I'll be happy to answer it. Now, if you are more interested in a passive income, one that can make you money while you sleep, go down to the link below. My #1 recommended Make Money Online method. It's an extraordinary offer. Check it out. Click the link, and I'll send you some more information. All right, guys. So let's get on with today's video, sales funnel or website. All right. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to look at this. This is a sales funnel. All right. So when you go to a regular website, okay, you're getting bombarded with all kinds of craziness, right? You don't know where to go. You don't know nothing. All right. I'm just going to take you to a simple website. Well, probably a crazy website. This is one that I visit every day. But a regular website would be like this, all right? So you got a website, and you got all your traffic coming to your website, all right? Nothing fancy about it. It's coming to your website. You're reading articles, looking at videos, looking at pictures, going to links, whatever, all right? So this is your website. This is a sales funnel. It's going to send your traffic to an opt-in page. You gather the opt-in, you gather their email, you put them in your email list, email them later, you send them to a bridge page, which gets personal so they feel trust and relationship with you, and then you send them to a sales page instead of them just coming to your site, reading about something and clicking a link to buy. Okay, that's a big difference. Now, this is a website. This is Hacker Noon. I go to this every single day and I read articles. All right, so you can imagine if I came to this site and I was trying to buy something or doing an ad on here or whatever. It's confusing, right? So I come here, I come here looking for something and then I get sidetracked because there's so much stuff, right? I might have came here to look for, a course on cryptocurrency or a training class on how to build an Android app or something like that, right? And when I get here, it's so confusing. I fall into a rabbit hole and go to something else. All right, to where, okay, I click this link, right? And maybe this link, maybe I got sent to this link from an email or an ad on Facebook. Instead of the ad shoot me straight to a website, it shoots me here, right? So I'm like, hundreds of average Joes are already pulling autopilot commissions using this dummy-proof system. Fill out the below for exclusive access. All right, let me do that, right? So I fill this out and see where it takes me, right? So, ooh, am I an action taker? And this is me, right? So, yeah, I'm an action taker. Let me listen to the video. And what this video is me telling them what's on the next page, what to expect, all right? So it's taking me through the journey, right? It's taking me through the journey. I did an ad on Facebook or a post on Instagram. It's taking me here. I already got their email address, so I can send them promotions later. I can welcome them, right? I can get personal to where they come here. There's no personality. There's nothing, right? It's just a website. It's just your typical website, all right? So there's a big difference between a website, all right, a blog that's just trying to sell something, than a sales funnel, which is actually selling something. So this is more like a sales person, right? It's taking me through this journey, and I'm actually feeling like I get a personal connection with the person selling me something. Where if I go to a website, I click on, an article, and I start reading the article, blah blah blah. oh, there's a link, tell me to buy a, whatever it is. I should have went to a better website, but maybe it's a link, shoot me to a crock pot or whatever. There's no personal connection, right? Or a training course or something like that. It, it's harder for me to get a connection because I don't have a video here, right? I like the fact that this sales page, maybe it was an ad for the same exact thing, and it took me to an opt-in page, and I put in my email address, and now I'm here. So I already gave them something, right? And now they're telling me what to expect. And they're asking me if I'm an action taker. Of course I'm an action taker. Why wouldn't I be? I'm here, right? So it's already asking me a question, and I'm giving them content and letting them know what is on the next page, right? So I just say, click get me access, right? So I do that, and it takes me to the sales page, right? So that's how it works. All right, guys? So that's the difference between a website like this, right? A website that all your traffic just gets shot to. It might have an ad saying, hey, come take this training to learn LinkedIn. So I'm on my LinkedIn. I say, oh, cool. I want to learn how to market on LinkedIn. And I go in here and I see an article, maybe a video, right? But it's a busy website. It's got links everywhere and there's other stuff. And I might get sidetracked when I get here. All right. In the sales funnel, there's no sidetrack. It's boom, target. Boom, target. It's very targeted to get the sale, right? To where I come here, I might land here and then say, oh, look at that shiny object. Go over here. And I forgot what I even came here for in the first place. You understand what the difference is? Because a lot of people are asking me, why do I need a sales funnel? Why can't I just post a blog? Now, I don't have anything against blogs because blogs do work, but they're not targeted as good as a sales funnel. Now, one thing a blog can do is you can get tons of traffic to your blog and get them on your email list so you can send them emails later. That's what the blog is great for. All right. So you can have a lead magnet on your blog, etc., etc. But when I get to this blog, there's a bunch of links, there's a bunch of articles, there's a bunch of pictures. I'm going to get sidetracked. I'm ADD, so I definitely am going to get sidetracked because if I go on the internet and I go someplace, I always go down the rabbit hole. All right. I do it on YouTube, Facebook, wherever I go. But if I'm in a sales funnel, which I get trapped in all the time, I go to sales funnels just for fun nowadays. But when I go to a sales funnel, I opt in with my email address. I already gave them my email address, so I'm already committed. And then I watch the video on the next page of them talking, right? So I get that personal connection, right? And then I say, you know what? I really like him. I'm going to check out this offer. And I'm going to go check out the sales offer and I'm going to watch it. And then when I watch it, I'm going to be like, you know what? That Zeb dude's pretty cool, but I'm going to wait, all right? So then I shoot him an email and say, hey, welcome to my newsletter that you opted in for earlier, right? And blah, blah, blah. And then the next email, I send them back to this sales page and they'll be like, oh yeah, that's a offer that Zeb was offering. I'm gonna go check that out and I'm gonna buy it. All right, so they buy it, and then this offer here will send you to maybe an upsell, a downsell, or maybe it's just the offer. All right, but this is the power of a sales funnel. And there could be maybe a small sale here, an upsell here, a downsell here, another upsell, downsell. So sales funnels can start getting very crazy, all right? But they're very targeted, all right, guys? Very targeted, where this is just crazy chaos. When you go to it, you might not even remember why you went there in the first place because you got sidetracked, all right? So that's the difference that's the difference between a sales funnel and a website. For some reason, like when I try to explain sales funnels to people, they're like, what is a sales funnel? And I'm like, I am sure you've been in a sales funnel before, you just didn't know it, right? Because a lot of people just automatically assume that it was a website and it just put them down this trail, right? But it's very targeted. There's a reason for a sales funnel. It's to make your sale, right? It's to get the email address so you can market to them later. And it's to introduce yourself, all right? So there's a purpose to a sales funnel. And you're going to get way more sales with that sales funnel than you will with this website. Hands down, unless you're getting 2 million, people every single day coming to your website, you know, you could be very targeted with your traffic here. You got to have lots of traffic hitting this because people are going to get they're going to get sidetracked. All right, unless it's a one-page website where it's just one page and it tells them something and they can't go nowhere else. Then you might be able to actually pinpoint them. But sales funnel is targeted and it's taking you through the sales process. All right, guys. The sales process is this is like psychological shit right here, right? So this is taking you through a sales process. It's like a salesman on automation. All right. It's like an automated marketing salesman. All right. So this is your sales guy doing this over and over and over for everybody that opts in. All right. So it's just taking you through the sales process over and over and over and over. And then they're going to get hit with the sales process over and over and over with email. So this is very powerful method of making sales with either affiliate marketing or it could be traditional business like chiropractor, dentist, whatever it is. Everybody should be using sales funnels. All right, that is my rant for the day. I just wanted to get it out there. What was better, a website or sales funnel for making sales? And it is hands down a sales funnel because that's what it's built for, to make sales. All right, so again, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you didn't hit that subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button. And again, if you would like more information about my #1 recommended make money online method, click the link down below and I'll send you more information. All right, guys, peace out. Have a great day. And I hope you enjoyed what you saw here. Peace.